Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lulu. In today's video, I introduce BONOSS active cooling with spacers for Ford F150. When do I need to install Ford F150 with spacers? If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels with an inaccurate center hole data, there will be vibration at high speed. In this case, installing BONOSS Ford F150 track spacers can effectively stop the rubbing issue. Ford F150 with spacer allow a larger wheel and tire to be fitted with a rubbing, by creating clearance to interior wheel components. This can prevent the tires from rubbing against the fender flares or suspension components when making turns or hitting bumps. BONOSS active cooling with spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. A brake fade occurs when the brakes heat up under long hard applications. In this case, BONOSS active cooling with spacers send air into the rotors to keep temperature down. This comes with active cooling rules, which allow the external cold air flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when rotating, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. This is helpful to reduce brake thermal decay and improve road safety. BONOSS aluminum Ford F150 with spacers are made of forging process, have higher strength, and are more suitable for driving in different environments, reducing the issue of spacer failure. BONOSS with spacers provide high performance for additional functions, fast customer service, and friendly service, which is your best choice. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS Ford F150 with spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.